When it comes to makeup, I'm all about a very natural skin look. So the areas that I really like to pay attention to are under my eye and around my mouth because there's more hyperpigmentation around there. And I love the Opte device because the blue light technology allows it to recognize the areas where my skin is more uneven and overly pigmented or underpigmented. And it evens out the skin tone by giving just the right amount of product to those areas that needs it most. And in the end, I get really nice, natural, all over skin. All set. It feels like skin, looks natural all over.